Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Attitude, laundry detergent, Wildflowers, 35 loads, 33.5 fluid ounces, 1.05 liters. Product overview description. Biospectra Nature Plus Technology Hypoallergenic Ecologo Cruelty Free and Vegan. Laundry detergent, advanced deodorizing power. Suggested use. See table for dosing instructions. For tough stains, pour a small quantity directly on stain and rub or allow soaking before washing. Always check labels for special instructions. 4, 5 kilograms soil level. Water hardness. Soft 15 milliliters 30 milliliters. Medium 30 milliliters 45 milliliters. Hard 45 milliliters 60 milliliters. 95 degrees Celsius. 60 degrees Celsius. 30 degrees Celsius. 15 degrees Celsius. Formulated for cold water. Other ingredients. 5% to 15% anionic surfactants, sodium coco-sulfate. Contains also, water, sodium citrate, sodium gluconate, glycerin, camellia sinensis, green tea, leaf extract, methyldihydrojasmonate, jasmine, amyl salicylate, floral. Warnings. Causes serious eye irritation. Keep out of reach of children. If in eyes, rinse cautiously with water for several minutes. Remove contact lenses, if present and easy to do. Continue rinsing. If eye irritation persists, get medical advice. Attention. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.